Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 6. This is Section 1.4, Problem 6. 41,964 minus 8,351. So we start in the far right column of digits, which will give us 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. The next column of digits, I have 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. The next column of digits to the left, I have 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. The next column of digits, I have 1 minus 8. Now, 1 is not large enough to subtract 8 away from, so I have to borrow. I go to the next column over to the left, which has a 4 on the top. I will cross off that 4 and reduce it to a 3. That will allow me to put a 1 in front of the other one that I already have, turning it into an 11. And now I have 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. And then in the last column going to the left, I have 3 minus nothing at all underneath it, which is just 3. So I have 33,613. And if you like, you can put a comma after the 33,000. 33,613.